I'm Mooney, and today we're making s'more. And we are going to start with the ingredients. We have crackers, chocolates, and some marshmallows. And we're going to make s'mores.
Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind.
The marshmallow is melt. Now I'm gonna take it off. Ooh.